Okay, tell us. What does Mommy have?
Baby in her belly.
Mom has a baby in her belly?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness!
Belly.
Oh my goodness! How many babies? Do you think just one?
Name is Bella.
Its name is Bella?
Yeah.
Really? How do you know? How do you know her name? You think it's a girl, Ben? What are you gonna do with Bella, baby?
Swimming.
You gonna go swimming with her? What else?
Swinging.
Oh, swinging?
Yeah.
Yeah, swinging. What else will you do with Bella?
Gumping.
Gumping?
Gumping. Yeah.
Like gomp gomp?
Yeah.
Oh, gomp 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 gomp. She'll think that's funny. What else are you gonna do with Bella? Woo! You okay?
Oh, no.
Oh, you need help?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I'm okay. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go now. I'm okay. Bella can go up. I'm sorry.
Hello. What else are you gonna do with Bella? Missy. Hold on a second. Are you gonna play ball with Bella?
Yeah.
Are you gonna teach her how to play basketball?
Just for love. Like that.